Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and I'm out here in Oregon. Where are we?
Tumalo Falls.
Tumalo Falls. That's my brother and my sister-in-law, and of course you know Michelle. I'm gonna do real fast. Okay, here we go. She's taking a picture of the fall. That's my brother. That's my sister-in-law. This is a great environment. It's beautiful out here, and
clean air.
Yeah, so it's one of those where, you know me, I don't really, I hem hard, I don't want to come out, and I'm so blessed that they brought me out and dragged me out here. It's cold, but it's beautiful. So I'm very lucky to have these guys. And that is the fall right there. It's so cold, guys. Right, is that beautiful? Check this out. Right, that's a hell of a drop, or heck of a drop, I should say. But it is so beautiful here. And it was kind of crazy coming up, and of course living in Texas, we're not familiar with this white stuff here, but it's just amazing, and it's so clean. Oh, they have a beautiful hound. It's so clean here. And anyways, I just want to share the fall with you guys, and I am gonna sign off. Come back and see me. Thank you so much for coming in. Bye.